Hi guys, Shane here from the Holiday Home Ownership Centre at Holiday Resort Unity. So today I'm going to give you a quick tour of all the benefits of ownership. Let's go. 50% off gym membership, guys. After a soft play. Free admission to Breen Splash, guys. Huge savings, guys, on the annual pass at Breen Theme Park. Yes. Full use of the View kitchen and bar. Look at the view, guys. Yes. Discount rates at Breen Golf Club. Yes. Got a rod license, guys. Free use of the fishing lake. Yes. Free entry to RJ's, guys, with your owner's card. Not only that, we will give you a 10% uplift on everything you spend over the bar. Designated owner's lounge, guys, with free tea and coffee, papers on the weekend, and biscuits. Who doesn't love a biscuit? Exclusive owner events, guys, end of season party, welcome back party, pool parties, barbecues. We've got it all for you guys. Thanks for watching.